Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a video on a treadmill, slimline treadmill. It is giving an error L5. Today I will show you how to fix this. When I press it on, you will see it will show an error L5. In this video I will show you how to fix this. First of all, open this cover, viewers. Now clean the main board under this cover. You can see that it is dirty. Now open this main board. After cleaning this, firstly you have to remove all the dirt so that you can see all the components clearly. Now remove all the screws on the heatsink. I have removed the screws. Now slide the motherboard on a side. Now take a digital multimeter and put it on a continuity mode. Now first of all, check the FET, this one. First of all, whenever this problem occurs, check the FET. It is showing short. You can hear that. On both sides it is showing short. So it is bad, viewers. We have to remove this and replace it with the new one. This is the new one, viewers. This is IRF 460p. I will check this. You can see that it is giving beep on one side and no beep on other side, so it is okay. If it gives beep on both sides, then it is bad. So I will install the new one. Firstly I will remove the bad one. I have removed it, viewers. Now I will check it again. It is giving beeps on both sides. Again I will check the new one. You can see that it's giving beep on one side. So if the FET is giving beeps on both sides, it is bad. Its number is IRF P460. Whenever you have error L5, replace this one. Now I will resolder it. Guys, I have soldered the new one. Now it's time for assembling it. Install the screws. You can see that. Now it's ready for assembling. I will join the cables now. These are motor cables, viewers. I will connect them. I have attached all the connectors. Now it's time for checking. I have powered it on. Now I will press the power key. Now we will see that it will work or the L5 error comes again. Our treadmill is working again, viewers. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.